Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 26. Circulation and Gas Exchange. Let's start. The transport system found in protozoa that moves gases is simple diffusion, a gastrovascular cavity, hemolymph, an open circulatory system. Correct answer: simple diffusion. Coalomic fluid is used to transport gases in rotifers, gastrotrix, nematodes. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. The annelids, such as the earthworm, have a circulatory system. Closed, open, coalomic, hemolymph. Correct answer: closed. All of the following are granulocytes except eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils, monocytes. Correct answer: monocytes. Which of the following is not a lymphocyte? Monocyte, B-cell, T-cell, platelet. Correct answer: platelet. A bony fish has a chambered heart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer: 2. A four-chambered heart is first seen in bony fishes, amphibians, reptiles, crocodilians. Correct answer: crocodilians. The pacemaker of a mammalian heart is the AV node, SA node, bundle of his Purkinje fibers. Correct answer: SA node. Most aquatic invertebrates carry out gas exchange by diffusion, with lungs, by gills, with tracheal systems. Correct answer: by gills. Arachnids possess trachea, book lungs. Neither A nor B. Both A and B. Correct answer: book lungs. Land snails breathe by way of trachea, book lungs, pulmonate lungs. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Amphibians and some reptiles respire by cutaneous body surface exchange, external filamentous gills, internal lamellar gills. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. The type of respiration that allows an organism to exchange gases simultaneously with both air and water is termed cutaneous exchange. Bimodal breathing, gill exchange, lung exchange. Correct answer: bimodal breathing. Which of the following has the greatest rate of oxygen consumption? Frogs, humans, pulmonates, birds. Correct answer: birds. Movement of lymph in mammals is accomplished by the action of smooth muscle, lymph hearts, skeletal muscle, loose connective tissue. Correct answer: skeletal muscle. Movement of lymph in amphibians and reptiles is accomplished by smooth muscle, lymph hearts, skeletal muscle, loose connective tissue. Correct answer: lymph hearts. As evidenced by their complete anatomical separation of the ventricles, which group of reptiles is most closely related to birds? Snakes, lizards, crocodiles, turtles. Correct answer: crocodiles.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.